Is in the thick of the storm. While hundreds and thousands were running away from the coast, George was heading straight for it. We caught up with him moments before he made way for the danger zone. So George, what is it like there right now in New York?
It's like a ghost town here. When I arrived from Toronto last night, I was going through the tunnel and there was nobody. You could fire a cannon down the road. And going through Manhattan, there was myself, a few police cars, and a couple of cabs. We're starting to get the gusty winds and the light rain coming in. But by this afternoon, and especially into tonight, this is going to be a very, very dangerous place.
Right. So this is a really unique storm. 3 different systems coming together. You've been a storm chaser now for 15 years. Have you ever seen anything like this before?
No, this is a rather unique situation. Nobody has really seen anything quite like this before. 10 days ago, we were looking at the computer models, scratching our heads, thinking this must be some kind of computer glitch or anomaly. And then as today has gotten closer and closer, they've just verified, and it's a real good testament to the quality of these computer models. And I tell you, it's going to be interesting to see what plays out over the next few hours.
Absolutely. So now, clearly you're not just doing this for kicks. You're there to do some research, right? Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, I'm going to be documenting the storm with photography, video, but also we've got a weather station that we're setting up that has a remote feed. We're going to be taking wind speed, direction measurements, a webcam set up, and we're going to put it up on the north shore of Long Island and Long Island Sound, and then we're going to move to the south shore of Long Island later tonight.
Okay, so in terms of the research that you're doing then, what are you hoping to find out?
Well, we're going to take measurements in the spots that we know that we're at, and then we can send that information back to the National Hurricane Center so that they have one more piece of the puzzle for future forecasting.
Okay. Now, what are going to be the biggest threats or dangers for you while you're out there storm chasing?
Well, for sure the biggest threat is going to be the storm surge, and that's that wall of water that gets pushed ashore by those onshore winds. And because this storm is so big, physically large, it's going to be pushing a lot of water into New York Harbor, the south shore of Long Island, and that's going to create very, very dangerous situations. Most people that are injured or killed in hurricanes, it's not from the wind, not from flying debris or objects, it's drowning from storm surge.
Oh, that's surprising. I didn't know that. Now, how about your personal safety then? What would happen if you were to get trapped? I mean, so many of these bridges are closing.
Well, the trick for us is to know our escape routes. We've got radar and satellite running in the car, so we know exactly when the heaviest rains are coming in. We know exactly when the high tide is coming, when it's going out. So we've got a pretty good idea of where we're going to be at what moment of the day today. Now, of course, that plan will change. It's very fluid because it is such a dynamic situation. But there's myself. I've got 3 of my associates in 2 vehicles, and we've been doing this for many, many years. So for us, it's another day at the office.
Right, a very different day at the office. I'm nice and safe here in mine. Thank you so much, and stay safe, George.
Thank you very much.
To have a